We've all been there. We go out and buy a kitchen utensil, come back, use it, and suddenly wonder, where on earth do I store this? Our armadillo colander is specially designed to collapse inwards and go to 10% of its original size.
Hi, my name is Ron. I've been an inventor and a designer for Speedo, Dyson and now Samsung Electronics. The Armadillo colander has been in the making for the last 10 years. Although this product looks pretty simple, it takes accuracies of down to the 10th of a millimeter to really make it work. And I had to pull all of my design skills in order to pull this off.
Hi, my name's Fred and I'm the second half of the Armadillo team. Our product has a number of great uses, whether using it in the home, within the kitchen, or perhaps taking it with you to a picnic in the great outdoors, or maybe even something a little bit more extreme, such as camping, hiking. Thanks to its unique and easily storable size, it's a great item that can come with you wherever you go. I was in a restaurant with my friend and I wanted to see what he thought of the product. And actually a lady on my left leant over and she asked me, "What is that?" And when I revealed the product, she was absolutely blown away.
This design is patent pending. We've done that to protect it. Cool inventions are always worth protecting.
For us at Armadillo, we're trying our best to get into a market governed by very large players, and if it weren't for platforms such as Kickstarter, this would be an insurmountable task.
We came to Kickstarter because there's no better place to offer such a unique product. Kickstarter is the best way to give a special crowd an opportunity to get involved at an early stage.
So, fellow Kickstarters, you've seen our product, heard our story, and met the brains behind our operation. All that's left to ask is for your backing. Check the rewards on our page, including our limited edition Kickstarter prize. Well, thanks for watching, and on behalf of all the team, we really appreciate your pledge.